How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. These are the Yamaroku Bisiho soy sauce, aged in handmade Kyoki wooden barrels in Japan for 3 to 5 years, depending on when it's ready. This one here indicated by the red label is the Tsuru Bisiho. This over here with the black label is the Kiku Bisiho. What's the difference? This is aged for 4 years, this is for 2 years. This is for sashimi and dipping like dumplings or whatever, and this one is more for cooking. It's aged less, so there's less of a complex flavor. It's saltier, it has a little bit sweeter notes, mainly for cooking. After you open it, refrigerate, and it can last for about a year. I've had some time to really test out the Tsuru Bisiho. I ate a whole bunch of different things, including pan-fried wontons, dumplings, or eggs, or even put it on some vegetable. I treat it kind of like liquid gold because it just makes everything taste more savory. It just makes everything taste better. It's expensive, and I've had this for maybe a month or so, so look at how long it lasts. Each meal, I'm only using about 1 teaspoon. Let's open this up and compare the flavors. Tsuru over here, put some Kiku. The red label Tsuru is obviously thicker, more complex flavor. The black label Kiku is not as thick, it runs a bit quicker, and overall it looks like a thinner sauce. I'm gonna try the Kiku first because I already know what this one tastes like. Yeah, definitely saltier. It's definitely not as complex. I wouldn't want to use this as a dip or for sashimi or dumplings. It'll be interesting to try to cook with this. Let's try the Tsuru. Umami. What is that? It kind of tastes meaty. It's like you're eating meat, like beef jerky or something. The Kiku is really meant for you to mix inside something. Probably like inside a chawanmushi or an omelet. Tsuru is just so good. I'm a big fan of this. These soy sauce are used for different purposes, but let me try to cook something with the Tsuru as well as the Kiku and see how they compare. I'm gonna make 1 egg for each soy sauce. So I'm gonna divide this recipe by 4. Daishi pellets. Add just a pinch. 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of mirin. 1/8 a teaspoon of the soy sauce. 1/8 of a teaspoon of vegetable oil. Mix both of them up. Oil. Red label Tsuru first. Wash the pan. Let's try that again with Kiku. The Tsuru tamago and the Kiku tamago. Let's see how it tastes if you just force it and cook with it instead. Tastes good. Tamago. I don't know what to expect from the Kiku, but let's see. When the dipping sauce is put in the food, it kind of takes over and it tastes very soy saucy. Not that it's a bad thing, it actually tastes pretty good. It kind of takes over the entire contents of the egg, like throughout the egg, it tastes like this sauce. But with the Kiku, it's more subtle. It seems like it complements the food better. It allows the egg to stand on its own rather than take over and be the only flavor there. With that said, I think it's not as wow a factor as the Tsuru because the Tsuru has been aged for longer. It has more complex of flavor. It stands out a bit more and there's more umami flavor. When you eat it, you're just like, oh, I want more. When I pour a little bit of this in a little dish, I find myself just using all of it. It's that good. That's my honest review here. It's okay, considering they cost about the same. You're definitely getting more flavor per dollar that you spend on the Tsuru. If you want to give one of these soy sauce a try, I'll have an affiliate link down in the video description below. It won't make things more expensive, but it will help out this channel. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.